Hello everyone, myself Kankana and welcome back to IAM Live Kitchen. Today in our show we have Chef John. Chef John, please come to the stage.
Thank you, Kankana. Good afternoon to all. It is nice to see you again back to watching my, to some exciting foods. Today we're going to show you how to make Kung Pao Chicken. This is a very famous dish from China.
How? Corona?
Yeah, don't worry, Corona won't catch you. Okay? Because chefs are doctors. So as you know, the Kung Pao Chicken, normally it's very famous everywhere in India also. The kids love it, the adults love it. So I will show you simple and easy way how to make Kung Pao Chicken. So you can see the ingredients are here. You have a sesame oil, soy sauce, chili paste, brown sugar, peanuts, vinegar, garlic, onions, cornstarch, corn flour, spring onions and chicken. So we'll show you how to make. We take the chicken. Chicken, you can see it's nicely cut into strips. And I'm using chicken breast. Okay, chicken breast. Because chicken breast is, everybody can eat. There is hardly you have any fats in it. It is good for your body. So we will add a little bit of cornstarch. When you fry it, you don't need to add anything else, just a cornstarch. And we put a little bit of salt. So that chicken will have the salt when you fry it.
How cornstarch helps in this dish?
Cornstarch will give you crispiness of the chicken when you fry the chicken. And once you cook with the sauce, you will feel the crispiness. The chicken, you will feel the crispy. But make sure you don't put too much of cornstarch. Then you won't get that crispiness. It will become like a very soft. So now we will fry the chicken. See, we have salt and cornstarch.
Yes.
Slowly you put it. Don't be scared. Okay.
Never.
No need to drop it from top. Just you can see how I am putting it. Some people are very scared of oil. The reason, if you cut the chicken strips, it is very fast to cook.
So can we cut the chicken pieces in different?
You can cut. You can cut into square. You can cut into big cubes. But why I am cutting in strips? First reason I told you, it will cook very fast, and then it will look good when you put it in the plate. Normally chicken cubes, you say you make curry, chicken curry or whatever, you see cubes.
शेफ, ये जो चिकन हम लोग फ्राई कर रहे हैं, इसको बिना फ्राई करके भी ये रेसिपी बन सकता है?
नहीं, बिना फ्राई करके तो मैं बोलेगा नहीं, क्योंकि अगर आप बिना फ्राई करके डालेंगे तो क्या, whenever you cook, the chicken will release water. Then when the chicken will release water, the sauce will become very not thick enough. फ्राई करने से क्या होता है, इसका अच्छा क्रिस्पीनेस आता है, and when you eat with the sauce, you will feel more juiciness in the chicken.
So I can see this is chili paste. So can you share me the recipe?
Yes, this is it's a homemade chili paste. What I did, dry red chili, whole dry red chili, you just soak in a vinegar, white vinegar, white vinegar, and keep it overnight. And add 1 teaspoon of sugar. And the next day remove it to blend it very nicely.
So viewers, आप लोग देख सकते हैं ये चिली पेस्ट का जो रेसिपी है, इट्स वेरी इजी. यू कैन मेक इट एट होम एंड वी कैन इवन यूज इन अनदर रेसिपीज. सो
Yeah, normally,
this is sesame oil, right?
Yeah, sesame oil.
So why sesame oil?
Actually, you see, the food is like authentic cuisines. So wherever you have authentic cuisine, they have their authentic dishes and oils and all. Okay. So the oil, like if you have a Bengali food or Bengali cuisines, normally Bengali cuisine they are using mustard oil because that is that traditionally made that kind of recipe. If you see in South Indian cuisine, they use coconut oil, and if you say now sesame is always Asian cuisine. Mostly Asian cuisine they use sesame oil. That will give you the exact flavor of these Asians. Okay, now we'll begin with how to make the Kung Pao.
The chicken.
So you take some onions here. We chop the onion a little bit.
मुझे हमेशा से अच्छा लगता है मतलब ये चॉप करने हुए देखने को.
चॉप कर सकते हो लेकिन उंगली चॉप मत करो तो क्या होगा फिर वो चिकन का साथ चिकन उंगली बन जाएगा. No, it happens many times also. I cut my finger and
happens, yeah.
and I got a stitch also, very bad stitch here of 5 stitches. So that time वो chicken उंगली बन गया था. So if you can do practice, make sure you just make slowly. उतना भी जल्दी नहीं है तो तुमको ट्रेन पकड़ने का है.
Exactly.
So onion is chopped here. We will use some garlic. So we'll chop some garlic. See, when you chop some garlic is very easy way. You press the garlic like this. Okay. So once you press, it is very fast to chop your garlic.
We can learn many things from you, chef. Thank you very much for teaching me this new, like how to chop garlic. Otherwise, it's very hard because it's very small. No?
Yeah, so garlic is chopped. Make sure not so much fine chop. So we will use now sesame oil. Use the chopped onion and garlic. You're getting the flavor of the garlic, right?
Exactly. Now my excitement level is getting higher.
So I will give you to taste.
No, thank you.
Only the sauce.
Why not chicken, chef?
No, don't eat chicken. It's Corona from China.
No, chicken is local, right?
Yes.
The recipes is from China.
Okay. See now you can see this nicely. The onion and garlic is coming transparent.
It's smelling really authentic.
Okay. We will add a little bit of vinegar to it.
So, ये vinegar कैसे help करता है इस dish में?
Chinese cuisines, if you say mostly in Chinese cuisine, you have to give some touch of vinegars. We put soya sauce. Give a little bit of brown sugar.
So, can we use regular sugar instead of brown sugar?
Yeah, if you don't have means normal brown sugar, you can use white sugar.
So
But brown sugar is actually what it helps to give you caramelized color also. This is brown. Okay. Okay, we will add chili.
Oh, finally.
You can see nice is it's cooked now. We will chop little bit of peanuts.
Okay.
the regular peanuts, okay?
Okay. So it's roasted, right?
Yeah, it's roasted. Roasted peanut. We'll add to the sauce. We'll add some spring onion. You can add some spring onion, or you can add later on also.
Okay.
So I will put later on. We add a little bit of water. We'll add a little bit of coriander leaves. Coriander leaves, mainly uses for all kind of cuisines, if you say.
Exactly.
In Asian also, that gives real,
The smell of these leaves.
you see, and it will look so yummy when you put it there. You can smell it, right?
It smells so good. So good. I can't wait actually.
Okay, now we will add the chicken to it. And we will add the chicken.
It's looking so yummy.
The reason of frying the chicken, so the chicken will not give any water.
Yeah. Now I can see the difference.
And we have a little bit of cornstarch. Once you made the cornstarch, it is nice. It is coming binding. You see, the sauce will come bind.
It's getting thicker.
Thicker. So you see, it is binding enough.
Chef, I've
Yes.
seen you like putting salt in this dish.
Oh my God! इसका मतलब मैं भूल गया salt डालने के लिए.
सच्ची?
नहीं, don't worry. Normally हम लोग सोया सॉस यूज किया.
Okay.
तो सोया सॉस contains salt. तो इसीलिए मैं सॉल्ट नहीं डाला है. अगर आप सॉल्ट डालेगा तो क्या होगा? सॉल्टी हो जाएगा.
ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
So whenever you using soya sauce, make sure taste it before you add salt. Okay?
Okay, so finally I thought you forgot.
No. Okay, now so we will do the plating. See,
we are ready for the
we have a
plating.
nice rice ready here. Okay, see the rice is here. No problem, we'll give with the bowl. It's fine.
No, no, no.
Oh. I will remove the plate. I will after putting the chicken here, then I will remove the plates.
Okay.
So we chop little bit of peanuts. That for the garnish on top.
So because of the peanuts, it's going to give a very crunchy taste, right?
Exactly. So when you eat the chicken, you can feel tuk tak in your mouth.
Very interesting.
So we will put the chicken now.
So you can see, viewers, the style of plating is very interesting.
Kankana, are you not feeling hungry?
Chef, you are asking me this, I am already hungry.
Don't worry. After finishing this plate will go to. So your Kung Pao chicken is ready.
Wow.
Take out the bowl nicely.
So you can see this looks like very yummy, very yummy.
Just clean a little bit from the side. We'll add, you see the chopped peanuts on top?
Yes, because of this tuk tak,
Tuk
right?
tak, tuk tak. So even the kids will love it.
So you can see this is very easy recipe. Almost same like chili chicken. So you can make this at home.
We'll put some.
I'm surely going to try this weekend.
We'll add some coriander chop. Okay, coriander. Oh! So we add some coriander from the top, you see. Okay. So see here your Kung Pao Chicken with steamed rice is very much good with the steamed rice.
Finally, it's done.
So this
So
is
you
your
can see this.
Kung Pao Chicken with steamed rice.
Thank you, chef, for this beautiful recipe. Thank you very much. So can I taste now?
Yeah, sure. You can taste and let me know how you feel. You feel spicy, you feel sourness, you will get all kind of flavor in it. Since you have vinegar, you have chili, you have soya sauce, you have brown sugar. So imagine how the taste is. You can taste.
Chef, I got the bigger spoon
Oh my god.
because I'm going to eat more.
I have the small one.
So let's start.
So you have bigger portion. You start. Let's see. We try it. How
Yes.
it is. Try with the rice. Oh, okay. Try the chicken first.
Okay. So here it goes. Awesome. Sweet. It's like a tangy flavor. And kurukkarat.
Kurukar, spicy. So try some with the rice and the sauce.
Okay. So,
So-
here I'm going to try with some steamed rice. The sauce is very authentic. Yummy, very yummy.
So I hope you enjoy my show in IAM Life Cooking, and you have learned how to make simple and easy recipes. So in my next episode or my next class, I will show you how to make another dishes. Hope you enjoy and have a great day to you all.
Thank you for being with us. See you in next episode. Bye bye.
Taste it.